Welcome to Atlanta, baby. Welcome to Atlanta, baby.
What's going on, guys? Your boy Holloway here, and today we are heading down to ATL for Dyno Day, baby. Let's go. Yeah, we got ATL Dyno Day. It's gonna be at the bike shop ATL. You guys stay tuned. We got some heavy hitters coming through, some pretty good influencers, some friends of mine that I haven't seen in a minute, like Dude Mungus. We got my boy Phantom going down there. We're gonna meet up with Amy. And there's a few more coming, like Lynn's. There's a few more coming that I haven't seen in a while, so it's gonna be very refreshing to see them again and see what everybody's bikes are making. And then you already know what happens after Dyno Day. That's right, we go to the freaking race spot and we see if you're putting down what you're actually putting down on the dyno. If you're putting that down on the street, you know what I'm saying? Let's see if the dyno numbers correlate with what you're putting down on the street, because you know sometimes you might be making 200 horsepower and you might get a school bus put on you. So just stay tuned. Currently I have about, it says 3 hours right there. I'm fresh off of work. It says it's 7:08, and yeah, it's just nothing but me, open road, my Red Bull, got all my gear in the back, bike in the back. Man, that just looks so freaking mean, dude. That looks so mean with the red LEDs, or DRL, sorry. Man, that thing looks mean. But alright, enough talking. I'm gonna cut back to whenever we get to the Airbnb. I was supposed to meet Phantom at the Airbnb, but I'm not exactly sure yet. Since I'm gonna get there at 11:11, I might just meet him at the shop. I don't know yet, so whatever I do, you guys will see. S1K here with us, man. It's kind of crazy that he's in the friend group now and I get to see it. Oh my god, what'd he do? He messed up that right there. Damn. But it still looks pretty good. I like what he did. He took the stickers off and he's made it majority white now, and you know, the boy had to represent. He got the center sticker on there. Yeah, this thing's in pristine condition. He's taking care of the baby, you know what I'm saying? We got Phantom's S1K. We got his M also. Congratulations once again. And I got my bike up there. And we're about to head out. Probably going to have to cut up through traffic because we're already running late. They're waiting on me. But just sit back and relax. Grab the popcorn and enjoy the show. Welcome to Atlanta, baby. Welcome to Atlanta, baby. Oh my god, bro. Oh shit. Alright guys, we pulled up to Dyno Day. There's a bunch of bikes after. There's so many people. So many bikes. There's that boy Lucid. What's good, baby?
Hey, bro. This is the hardest duck I've probably seen.
Appreciate it, man.
Oh, fucking cow.
Appreciate it. What up?
Glad to see you made it.
Yes, sir.
Bro, you know at night, bro, This shit looks.
Oh yeah, it's nasty. It's nasty.
Bro, hey, mad love. No, mad love. That is boy almost went down, huh?
Yeah, man.
Me, this is Hollywood. You haven't met him. What's up?
Nice to meet you, man. What's good? What's good? How was the drive?
Camera's on. See?
How was the drive? Yeah.
Let me see. Oh my god, it looks so nice.
This oil. Our buddy's oil cap came off.
Yeah, that looks like oil.
Yeah.
Who's oil cap?
A guy that was riding with us.
Here?
He's
It
not
just
here
happened?
yet.
All right, so Lindsay is showing us her new ZX10. She got a lot of forged carbon on there.
The rear subframe is going to come in this week, and then the tail.
Let me walk around and get a better look at this.
And then my air intake. Yeah.
Ooh. Oh. See.
There it is.
Look at that. All that forged carbon. There's the other boys that got split up from us.
Fucking finally, goddamn.
But yeah, I'm gonna go get set up, put my bike on the dyno, and then we're gonna see what she makes. I'm gonna guess probably like 200. I'm gonna say 200 off rip. Even though it's stock, like I don't know what it's supposed. I think it's supposed to make 205 from the factory. I'm not exactly sure because like there's so much misconstruction with like numbers and stuff like that. But yeah. All right, we made it to the meet, and as you guys see, as you guys have seen, I've already recorded a couple clips from the dyno already. I recorded Lindsay's new ZX10, the Gen 6. It made 194, I believe. I'm gonna go around and show you guys some of these bikes that are pretty fucking sick. I love the blue on this one. This one is pretty insane. I like that. And then we got Icy Media's S1K right here. Oh, and then I got a boba. This thing was $7. I'm not really complaining because I was thirsty, but it is what it is. And then you guys already know I'm a fucking R1 hater. D1 R1 hater. I fucking hate them. They're slow. And we got my boy Scorpio's S1K right here with all this carbon. As you guys know, he got them upgraded wheels. Man, you can't beat this, man. He's almost full carbon. He only got a couple more pieces to go. But this boy's a monster out there at the race spot. Hopefully we're gonna get some good runs in, and hopefully I'll walk him. I know my bike is stock and everything, but we're gonna see. Then we got Chase's bike all the way from near where I live. I like this setup. I don't know this guy personally, but I've seen this guy selling his bike for $18K on Marketplace. The boy has done lost his mind, all right? He's lost his fucking mind. You see this shit, just know you lost your mind. And then this one, give the boy a follow. This shit is fucking insane, brother. The colored carbon is crazy. I love the domino grips. But you got this freaky ass seat on here, man. That velvet seat, that shit freaky as fuck. And then we got an older gen S1K back there. Dude, that color on S1Ks, you can't beat it, man. Like, you legit can't beat this color. I was looking, when I got my 2011, I was looking for a color just like this. And I couldn't find one that was for a good price. But, yeah, I love this color. This is very, very iconic for the BMW brand, if I do say so myself. And then we got the crew over here. Got the crew. We got some more bikes lined up. A lot of Ducatis have actually come out here and putting their bikes on the dyno. Of course, we got mine. Finally, you guys can see it in the sunlight. Kinda. The red just looks different in person. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it looks fucking different.
What is up, boys? It's your boy BNS1K back at it again with another video. You got my boy Hollywood over here. And the boy. On the camera.
We got my old bike right here. We got Phantom's S. We got his M. Got an H2 rolling in. Yeah, it's kind of loud, so I'm kind of screaming, but there's a lot of bikes out here. I really like this color on this R6 right here. I believe that's Abe's old R1. But there's a lot of R1s, S1Ks, Ducatis. Oh, you leaving? We got the homie Sparks leaving us, but he's coming back. All right, he's coming back. And then we got this thing. I'm not here to judge, but that looks bad. Oh, and then we have a triple over here in the wild, just out and about. Love a good triple. That colorway is unbeat. Like, I love this colorway on the triples. I don't know what it is. It just pops, you know. We got a beautiful, beautiful M right here. This thing is clean. I love it. Love this color. God, this thing's sick. And we got this beautiful forged carbon H2 right here. Like, this shit is crazy. Dude, I want to own an H2 one day. Dude, and it's got extra forged on there. Yeah, that thing's bad, bro. I love it. And then we got this R1. This is probably like my favorite R1 right here. I don't like R1s, but he really did his bike up. I love it a lot. Like the gold accents and everything. Beautiful. We got Amy's brand new wrapped R1 right here. Beautiful, beautiful R1. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like R1s, like I said, but this wrap is crazy that's on it. She got the new SC on there as well. That thing sounds nuts. And then we got Moto Ob's R7 right here wrapped. This cool color.
I don't got yellow boots anymore.
Yellow boots.
I got the vlog on.
They're white.
Say something to the
Red
people.
light, yellow boots.
What?
Here, what do you want to say to the people?
ZX10s are underrated.
I don't know
Watch
about
my
that.
bike put out more than yours.
Maybe.
I don't know,
We'll
we'll
see. We got my bike right here, going up next on the dyno. Comment down below what you think this bike's gonna make stock. I'm gonna say 185. I'll be happy with 185. Rolling her up. Hey man.
Hi, buddy.
Oh my god. Turning red. I'm black. Oh my god, you had to throw that in there. Hey.
What do you think it's gonna make?
What 86? Oh,
What do you think it's gonna make?
I would say 185.
I'm gonna say 190.
Don't look like that, bro. Say what now?
Look, get to cancel your whole video now. That's kind of embarrassing.
What? Oh my god. 185?
Alright,
That's
so
not bad.
it's bad. 200 is what it should be making. If you come to the bike shop, we'll get you right.
But it's stock though. It's stock. It's not going to make 200.
We've had a stock one make 200.
Alright, that's going to wrap up the Dyno Day video. Hope you guys enjoy. We're about to head out now. We're about to go get some rollers. We got Lindsay and all the beautiful bikes. They're still in there doing some dyno pulls. My bike only made 185, but that's not bad. 185.
185.
Yeah.
I called it.
Yeah.
I called it.
Yeah. That's not bad for stock.
No, that's impressive.
Yeah.
Like I said, there's bikes with full bolt-ons out here doing less than that.
Yeah.
So,
Oh yeah.
you roll out?
Yeah.
All right, man.
I'll meet up with you. See ya.
All right, safe.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Amy got on to me because I have a dry chain. All right. You know, things happen. Things happen. But if anything were to happen, I did tell Amy I would cover her medical bills or anybody else that did have any medical bills. Thank God nothing did happen. But now I'm aware that my chain does need a little bit of lube. It probably needs to be tightened just a little bit. But if you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe, share. Catch your boy out here on another motovlog, another event. Be safe, wear your gear. Don't get caught in the rain, and I keep chasing greatness. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.